What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching ChatGPT guide. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today we'll design a vanilla stopwatch website using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Simply write a code for vanilla stopwatch using HTML and JavaScript. So based on the instruction given, ChatGPT will start writing the code. So it has begun writing the code for vanilla stopwatch using HTML and JavaScript. The duration depends upon the complexity of project. So here it will take some time to write the complete code for vanilla stopwatch using HTML and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT has successfully completed the code using HTML and JavaScript for vanilla stopwatch. So let's copy this code and paste into the file index.html, save it, and now let's run the index.html file. So here we go, our vanilla stopwatch is ready. So let's test this. Start the application. So the time is increasing, so it's working fine. So now let me click stop. Okay, it has stopped. So now let's reset the value here by clicking reset button. Okay, it's working fine. So now let's include the CSS file inside the vanilla stopwatch. So in ChatGPT, simply write a CSS style for vanilla stopwatch and press enter. So based on the instruction, ChatGPT will start writing the code for vanilla stopwatch based on CSS. So this is the design for vanilla stopwatch. So let's wait for some time until ChatGPT completes the CSS code for vanilla website. Finally, our CSS is ready for vanilla stopwatch. So let's copy this code and paste inside the file called style.css, save it, and now we need to include style.css file into the index.html. So simply write include CSS file inside HTML. So based on the instruction given, ChatGPT will start writing the code. So here you go. There are different methods to include CSS file into HTML documents. Now ChatGPT has finished writing the code. So we'll simply copy this link and paste into the index.html file within the head. So let me include it here. Copy, save it, and now we need to include the name of file here. So our file name is style.css. Save it, and now let's run this file again. Okay, so now our vanilla stopwatch is ready with more custom design. So again, let's test this application. So let me press start button. So the time has started. It's increasing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let me click stop button. So it should stop. So it has stopped. Now finally let me click the reset button. So the value should be reset for hour, minutes and second. So it's working fine. So finally we have designed our vanilla stopwatch using ChatGPT.